is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. The COVID-19 caseload in Arunachal Pradesh rose to 4,775 with 201 more people, including 33 security personnel, testing positive for the virus yesterday. Arunachal Pradesh Education Minister Taba Tadir also tested positive for COVID-19 and is in home quarantine. State Surveillance Officer Dr. L. Jhampa said that so far, 3 lawmakers of Arunachal have tested positive for COVID-19. The state now has 1,487 active cases, while 3,280 people have recovered from the disease and 8 have died of the infection. Meghalaya recorded 182 new COVID-19 cases yesterday, the state's highest single-day spike, taking the infection tally up to 1,374. Fatality count rose to 15 with a 65-year-old man from West Khasi Hills succumbing to the viral disease. So far, Meghalaya has detected a total of 2,616 COVID-19 cases, including 15 deaths, 1,374 active and 1,527 recoveries. State Health Minister A.L. Heck has appealed to the people to maintain all the basic health safety protocols. In Nagaland, 21 new COVID-19 positive cases were reported yesterday, taking the total tally to 4,128. The State Health Department informed that 8 cases have been reported in Dimapur and Kohima, 4 in Mon and 1 in Mokokchung. Of the 21 cases, 7 were detected from traced contacts, 5 each from armed forces and frontline workers, while 4 were amongst returnees. Another 68 patients have recovered from COVID-19, which includes 34 from Kohima, 25 from Mon and 9 in Dimapur. With this, a total of 3,419 persons have recovered, improving the recovery rate to 82.82%. At present, Nagaland has 689 active cases, while 8 have died of COVID-19. The central government has approved the setting up of the Seguin Medical College in Nagaland, State Health and Family Welfare Minister S. Pangyopom has informed. The new government medical college will be set up by upgrading the district hospital at Mon. The minister thanked Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan for approving the new medical college in Nagaland. This landmark decision of the Union government will boost the Nagaland government's efforts to revolutionize the state health sector, he said. The approval of a new medical college has fulfilled the long-cherished dream of the people of Nagaland and Eastern Nagas in particular, Mr. Pom said in a tweet. The first medical college in Nagaland is under construction in state capital, Kohima, at present. As a mark of recognition and appreciation of their exemplary service to the society, altogether 13 teachers serving in different schools across Meghalaya were awarded with the State Award for Teachers and 3 were awarded the District Award for East Khasi Hills yesterday. Meghalaya Education Minister L. Rumboi congratulated the teachers for their dedication and selfless service in the pursuit of providing quality education to the student community, particularly during the COVID-19 pandemic. Principal Secretary D.P. Walang said that besides redefining the academic calendar from Class 1 to Class 12, board exams will be conducted in Meghalaya with a 30% truncated syllabus. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma congratulated the National Award-winning teacher from Meghalaya, Rahul Chatterjee, Assistant Lecturer, Physics of the Jail Road Boys High Secondary School, Shillong on occasion of Teachers' Day yesterday. Owing to the national mourning following the demise of former President Pranab Mukherjee, the Nagaland government cancelled mass celebration of Teachers' Day yesterday. However, taking to social media, greetings and wishes poured in from cross sections of the people in wishing the teachers on the special occasion. Nagaland Governor R.N. Ravi said, "Teachers have made outstanding contributions in building the society and shaping students' personality to make them ideal citizens of the country. Chief Minister Nipurio said, teaching profession does not merely involve the process of teaching a child from books, but also inculcating moral values and life skills. 13 teachers from across the districts of Nagaland were conferred with the state-level Teachers Award on occasion of Teachers' Day. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.